PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the morning Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, the 30th of January. What a wild, windy night last night. Non-thunderstorm winds producing a lot of tree and power line damage, but now that's gone, and cold air is back this morning. Here's our Skycam shots, few of them this morning coming around the network. There's a look at the Decatur Skycam up in Morgan County. I think that's First Baptist Church. I'm not totally sure, but I'll find out. But it looks awfully nice, and it's cold up there. Temperatures are in the 20s. Downtown Jasper, a winter scene there. Again, readings are in the upper 20s in most spots. And from Birmingham, on top of the Daniel building, that site there had a peak wind gust of 65 miles per hour last night. Pretty amazing stuff. That big system is on to the east now, the trough rotating through the northeast. And storm number 2 is the next focus, coming out there across the Rockies. And here's a look at our cold air plunge this morning. Temperatures up on the Canadian border, about 30 below zero in North Dakota. Lovely morning there. And you can see those 20s down into Alabama and Mississippi. And the warm weather limited now to South Florida. And the question is, can the air modify enough for the next storm system to produce some strong storms? And with this kind of Arctic air, I don't think so. I mean, we got a very dynamic storm on the way, but getting quality, unstable air, forget about that. But the rain is a good thing. We had some average amounts last night, about 1/2 inch, but some spots did get 1 inch. For example, at the ABC 3340 studio in River Chase, we had 95 hundredths of an inch last night, and the next one coming in tomorrow night should bring about 1 inch. So, again, this is a good week for rain. We welcome that and celebrate that. In terms of the convective outlook for tomorrow night, again, a slight risk over the southern half of Alabama and Mississippi, and it might even be farther south than that with the lack of instability up here. Here's the model output. This is the 06Z run. The GFS valid at noon today. Storm number 1 rotating through the northeast. Storm number 2 coming across the Rockies. Will be in between, so a sunny and cool day today. Tomorrow, here comes storm number 2 at midday, digging down into Texas and Oklahoma. I think we'll probably see the rain arriving late tomorrow afternoon, then midnight tomorrow night. Yikes. And as we've said for days now, if this were March or April, look out for a major tornado outbreak, but this is January and early February. So I don't know. Here's a look at the surface chart. The surface low is near Memphis, and we'll probably have temperatures in the, low 50s when this is going on. Dew points probably in the 40s. So any storms will be elevated here. But it will be windy, not as windy as last night, but still pretty windy with that thing. And that should bring about 1 inch of rain. And then Friday at midday, that thing is out of here. We'll begin to clear on Friday. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, looks nice. Sunny with a cold morning, but a nice warm-up. Will be close to 60 Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, the latest run here, beginning to show some rain creeping into northwest Alabama at midday. We'll leave it dry for now. We'll call it partly sunny. We'll keep the moisture off to the west. Just be aware a shower might slip in here late Sunday or Sunday night. And then Monday, here comes our next trough off to the west. At the surface, the Gulf wide open. A deep moisture flow, and that's suggesting a warm front kind of pushing through here Monday. So we'll mention a chance of showers on Monday for sure. Tuesday looks good and wet with that cold front coming in here. Nice push of cold air behind it. That's a 1,040 millibar high over the Great Salt Lake. And then Wednesday, now we've got the model showing a nice trough rotating through here, and that's going to push that thing out of here. So that would suggest our best rain days Monday and Tuesday, possibly Tuesday night. And really the better dynamics would be Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Could be some strong storms with that. I do think we'll have the pretty decent amount of instability with that as opposed to these last two. And then Thursday of next week at this point looks cool and dry. And a quick peek at the end of the cycle. How about that for a Valentine's Day storm? Big old negative tilt trough rotating through here. Rain changing to snow, but this is way out there, and more than likely that will change multiple times before we get there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.